Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix or snap something went wrong while displaying this web page. If you are seeing this frequently, then try these suggestions. So if you are getting this error in Google Chrome on Android phones, then here follow the fixes. Now open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, then tap on app management, then here look for Chrome and tap on it. Then click on force stop and confirm it. Then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache, and then go back, launch the Chrome app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then open Play Store, tap on search for Chrome and tap on it, and then click on this three dot and then deselect enable auto updates. And after deselecting the enable auto update, click on uninstall and again click on uninstall to confirm. This will just revert your Chrome to the older version, and then you can go ahead, launch the Chrome app and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then again click on these three dots and then enable the auto update, and after enabling the auto update, click on update. Wait for Google Chrome to get updated. And then you can open the Google Chrome from here and check if your error is fixed or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve Google Chrome error or snap something went wrong while displaying this web page on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.